I'm very fine, darling. How are you?
Fine, miss. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine. கண்ணத்துல கையாகல கண்ணத்துல நோண்டல எப்பவுமே ஸ்கூல் ஓபன் ஆகும்
தெரியலடா, நானும் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் உங்களை எல்லாம் பாக்குறதுக்கு. குட் மார்னிங் குணா. குட் மார்னிங் ரியா.
இப்ப இது பள்ளி ஸ்கூல்
குட் மார்னிங் யசசி. யஷா சாய். உன்னோட பேர்
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning, Kenneth. Oh, you spoke today, Kenneth. Kanishka, good morning.
Good morning, miss.
Justin, good morning. Robin, put your legs down. Robin, put your legs down. Down, baby. Sit straight. Straight always. Otherwise, you will get back pain when you grow up. Kritik, good morning. Okay, turn your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands. Thank you, my Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. Thank you for giving us a good weekend. Thank you for blessing each one of us. Bless each one of us today and help us to do our lessons well. Bless our parents, bless our teachers, and bless all our friends. Study well and do good today. Bless your wisdom and understanding. Protect us from all danger and harm. We ask in precious name. Amen. Good morning, my children. Good morning.
Yes.
How are you all today? Okay. Now what's the time? Huh? Very nice. Very nice rainbow. Okay. Krish Krishna, I can't see anything. That come towards the camera. Come towards the camera and show me. Okay. Very good. Very good. How are you, darling? How are you? How is your brother? All fine? Okay. Okay. Today we are going to learn a new song. We have to thank God for everything, right? So we will learn a new song today. Okay? Listen to the song now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the song. We will be doing this song today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
நம்ம வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க சொல்றது
Very good teacher.
சும்மா வேண்டாம் சும்மா லைட்டா ரெண்டு துண்டு ஊத்திட்டு வரலையா அவ்வளவுதான்
One more time, okay?
ஏஜியோ வரதுல சாப்பிட்டு இப்படியே தூக்கிட்டு
Which parent is talking like this when the class is? Hello?
நம்மளா கேங்க எல்லாத்தையும்
Which parent is talking? Eh? Which parent is talking so loudly? Even if it is UKG class, the class is going on. Can you go out and talk? I'm sorry to say this. You have to do that. Let the children learn. Okay, my babies. Today we are going to learn what will happen when you grow up. When you grow up, will you be like this? Yes or no? No. You will grow up like ma'am. You will grow up like mummy. You will grow up like daddy. You will grow up like your brothers, sisters. Yes? You will not be like the small babies always. You will grow up. When I grow up, this is the lesson we are going to learn. When I grow up. See here, this is the baby. When you were very small, this was the case. You were walking on 4 legs. That is 2 hands and 2 legs. You were crawling. Then after that, you started walking, right? You started walking slowly, slowly. 1 step, then you will fall down. Again, 2, 3 steps. Then again, you will fall down. Then again, you will get up and walk. Then now, this is the stage, right? You are walking like this. You are standing like this. So when you grow up, slowly the growth is happening. Growth is happening, right? Slowly the growth is happening. Now there is a poem, small poem. One day, when I am older, I will have a room that is red and blue. Now you are sleeping with mama and dada, no? Huh? Then when you grow up, you will have a room for yourself that will be painted in red and blue. That's what the poet says. There I will sleep and play and read. What will you do there? You will sleep in your room. You will play there. You will read. You will do all the things what you have to do in that room. And hide my secrets too. Then you will have some secrets. Okay. And one day, when I am older, I will have a room that is red and blue. There, I will sleep and play and read and hide my secrets too. So, from baby to a big boy or girl. Okay? That's how you grow. Okay? Fine. What are the things you want to do when you are older? You want to study well. You want to do work. Right? Eh? All those things, right? Yes or no? Robin, look here. And see, we are going to learn the sounds of these letters. C says K. K says K. M says D says D. G says G. And H says H. And R says R. So can we find out the words? Can we find out the letters to the pictures? C for, now what is this thing? C for, can anyone say? C for cap. K for kite. M for, what is this? Mushroom. M for mushroom. D for dolphin. G for gift. H for hanger. You have seen hangers, no? Daddy put his clothes, his shirt on the hanger. And R for rabbit. Okay? And I'll show you. Okay, now. Now when I ask you questions, you can unmute yourself and say the answer, okay? When I ask you questions, you can unmute yourself and say the answer. Now see here, when I grow up, listen to this poem and growing up.
Listen to this poem on growing up. One day, when I'm older, I will have a room that is red and blue. There I'll sleep and play and read and hide my secrets too.
Okay.
What are the things you want to do when you are older?
What are the things? What are the things you want to do when you are older? Huh? What's that? Huh? Get a room. Okay. Get a room. Okay. Then
Sleeping.
sleeping there.
Reading.
Reading. Then
Homework.
Arishan,
Homework.
unmute yourself and say. Unmute yourself and say.
Homework.
Huh?
Coloring.
Coloring. Okay.
Painting.
Play. Play.
Painting.
Painting. Only one person is saying. Who is that person? Let me see.
Jumping my bed.
Jumping on the bed. Very good. Then what you will do?
Sleep.
Eh? Sleep. Okay. Then what will you do?
I play.
Huh?
Play. You're watching TV, ma'am.
What is it?
You're watching TV.
Watching TV. Okay. Then
Cycle. Car.
do. Okay, fine. Now next one we will
Running.
running in the room. Be careful. Okay, now
Match them with the pictures.
okay, what is it? Say the sounds of these letters, then match them with the pictures. Can everybody see the picture page?
S for cap. D
Can
for
everybody see the picture?
dolphin. 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 Dolphin.
What is the
Cap. Cap. For cap.
for cap?
Cap.
K for
Kite.
kite. Only one person is saying. What are the others doing?
Kite.
Daniel, unmute yourself and say the answer, Daniel.
M for
Hardik, unmute yourself and say the answer.
M for mushroom. Car.
Unmute yourself and say the answer. Okay, now the next one.
M for mushroom.
Mushroom.
M
Yes.
for mushroom. D for dolphin.
E for
Dolphin.
dolphin. Yeah. G for
Gift.
gift. Yes. H for hanger. R for rabbit. Now we will see another page. Okay, the next one. Okay, we will do this. This is all about me. Okay? All about me. What do you have about all about? about you. What you have to do is all about you. Paint the pictures. Okay? When you were a little baby, when you get the book, you have to paste a picture. When you were a small little baby, you have to paste a picture here. And this is when you were 2 years old. Okay?
2 years old.
Your recent picture. Your recent.
2 years baby.
That's how you look now. That's what you have to paste here. Now,
Send.
Is there any difference in how you look when you were a baby and now?
is there any difference when you were a baby and now? What are the differences? When you were a baby, mommy used to feed you and you have to lie down all the time, right? And then slowly, you have to get up and walk. Now you can run. Now you can learn. Now you are learning in UKG.
LKG.
Not LKG. You are no more in LKG. You are in UKG with Beena ma'am.
UKG.
Okay. Now the next one, see, talk about
The activities that you could not do as a baby but can do now.
what are the activities you can do now?
Mr. Cab.
Eh?
Mr. Cab.
What is it?
Mr. Cab. Tickets.
You can stick pictures now. When you were a baby, you couldn't do that. Then,
Picture.
then what?
Drawing.
Eh? You can run now. You can eat by yourself. You can take.
Drawing.
Huh?
Dancing. Singing.
And what are the things?
Playing.
Okay, you can talk now. Okay, these are the things.
Singing.
And when the baby, when you were a baby, you couldn't
Dancing. Singing.
dancing, singing, all those things.
Dancing. Singing.
Huh?
Jumping. Bed.
Yes.
Jumping. Spring bed.
Then
Coloring. Drawing.
you can do and you couldn't.
Drawing.
Yeah.
Drawing. Drawing.
You were in LKG last year. Now you are in UKG. So many things you can do now. You are big boys and girls.
Veena ma'am.
Huh?
I am speaking, Veena ma'am.
Yes, you are speaking now. Okay.
Veena
Now we will do some games. Okay? See this and tell me what all things come.
Track the correct pictures and put them in the box below.
Okay? Drag the correct pictures and drop them in the box below. Okay? Select the pictures whose names start with C. What is starting with C? Tell me. Huh? Cat. Okay, we will take cat. Yes. Very good. And now the next letter is? Can you tell me a picture which is starting with K? No cat. K is not. Cat is not starting with K. No kite here. No kite. Huh? Okay, this is the animal. Koala bear. Koala bear. Okay. K for koala bear. Koala bear. Okay. Now, which is the next one?
Rabbit.
Rabbit is not.
Mango.
No mango. What is the next one?
R for red.
Huh? Rhino.
That. I will run.
Huh? No, that was a wrong thing. It looks like a. We will wait. Okay. Now what the next one? Next one is M. M for mango. Very good. Clap your hands.
Mango.
Everything is over. Okay, one more time we will play. C for cat.
Dog.
C for cap. Wait a minute, somebody is coming
D
now.
for dog. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog.
Wait a minute, babies. Okay, now K for polar bear.
Polar bear.
And R for we will be M for mango.
Polar bear.
D for dog. D for dog.
D for dog. D for dog. Very good.
Yes.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. No. Kangaroo. Say that kangaroo illa. No, that's wrong.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Roo.
And M for and D for dog. G for gorilla.
Gorilla.
Yes. And H for
Hippo.
hippopotamus.
Important.
R for nothing is given here.
Ink.
Sorry. That is it. Stop. Okay. Now, did you get everything? Now the sounds you know? We finished everything. Okay. Now we will sing some songs. This is a baby song. You have to sing with me.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
Ding dong.
Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding dong ding.
Okay. Now it is not ringing, it is ringing. Okay? The song says ringing. It is not ringing, it is ringing. How will I say? It's ringing. Okay? You can unmute yourself and say the answer. Harish Chandra, I want to listen to you. When I teach only, you can. I am muting you. And after that, you can unmute yourself and say the answer. Kanishka is name, right? Now this is the next one to see the letter sounds. Yes. We will say. Okay, now listen to this. Yeah.
Everyone, let's learn the alphabet. So many fun ABC games and stories. So many friends from all over the world. Let's go. Follow me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Yes, ma'am.
The ant found an apple. Apple starts with A. Uh-oh. What is the ant going to do now? It's jumping on the tree. Stop or the apple will fall. Oh no, the apple is falling. Oh, somebody got the apple. The apple now.
Apple. A for apple. A for apple.
Oh, I'm sorry, it went somewhere else. Wait a minute.
Next comes the letter B. B is for balloon. Oh, look. Somebody is knocking at the door. Who is it? It's a bear. Bear starts with B. There's somebody else. Who can it be? This time it's a butterfly. Butterfly starts with Whose birthday party is it? It's Bianca's birthday party. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bianca.
Okay, now what did we learn today? We were learning about C, K, M, D, G, H, R sounds. The alphabet sounds.
G, K, R sound.
And then what did we learn? What we look like when we grow up. That's the two things we learned today. So tomorrow when you come, tomorrow may be a holiday. I don't know. I will let you know. Okay. Tomorrow is Krishna Jayanti, right? Huh? Parents? All are quiet. Where did you all go? Unmute yourself and say the answer. Pavitra ma'am, why are you not talking? Yes, Eddie, tell me. Yes, Eddie, why did you lift your hand up? You want to say something?
Ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Who is it?
Eddie's mother, ma'am.
Yeah, tell.
He's always in mute, ma'am.
It's always in mute. When I teach, I will keep you in mode. I will put everybody in mute. Now you have to, it is not mute now. That is why you are talking now.
He's not now, ma'am, but in class you ask him questions, his answer, but not receive.
See, when I teach, I will mute everybody. Then I will ask you to unmute. When you raise hand, I can unmute you. And you can, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
When you want to talk, just raise your hand so that I can unmute you.
Okay, ma'am.
Today learn very.
Huh?
Ma'am, today learn very, ma'am.
You are very...
Very.
I didn't hear you. What are you saying, Alan?
Today I am very, ma'am.
Today learn very well, ma'am.
good child.
That's your heart.
I am beautiful. I am happy.
Child.
I am a
good child.
I am a good child. I am a smart. I am a smart.
Two.
I am a fruity.
All say.
I am nice and beautiful.
I am smart.
I'm a child.
I am beautiful. Say that.
I'm a beautiful.
Yeah, all
I'm
are,
a good child. I'm a
all are touching their heart and really.
Let all the good. My friends are beautiful.
Very good, my children. Very good. Okay.
I am beautiful.
Okay.
I am a one cake. I am a good day. I am a good child.
I am a good child. Yes. Are you a good child?
I am beautiful.
Huh?
Dina, I am beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Alan. I am done with the day. Okay. Then? Okay, then. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Love you all.
Bye,